thanks. We give thanks to be alive, my fans. To be, looking at God's beautiful day. If you agree with me, my fans, be nice and give this video a thumbs up. Just look at the beauty. Do you think anyone could, let this happen except the Most High and Mother Nature? No man, no matter how a president might say them big and bold and famous, them cannot produce a day. See, all night, look at the beauty, God's creation. Well, today I am making some turned cornmeal for my lunch. Well, last have you had turned cornmeal? I put the real coconut juice in it, codfish like my onion, pepper, season up nice. So my fans, I don't know, when last have you ever had the cornmeal? Cecilia, how about you? KC, Myla, when last you had the good old turned cornmeal? Who else? How about you, Betty? DC, my big friend BC that live in America. When last had you had the turned cornmeal? How about you, Charlene? Angie, do you know about turned cornmeal? Wonder who else know about turned cornmeal on this beautiful day here. I'm about to have my lunch. Welcome to the good old country life. What's my channel name, my fans? Do you know what my YouTube channel name? Please, if you know the name, you can say the name. What a gorgeous weather here in Jamaica, man. Eh? Me nah leave here. Me nah leave Jamaica, my fans, to go to live in the foreign country. Big up all those who in the foreign country. But me, I stay here, see? Well, we are going looking at my pot now. Let's go to my kitchen. Sage, big up yourself. Just big up and more bless up. We're gonna go in and big up all of the new subscribers. Welcome to the family. We got 5 new subscribers this morning. Big up the people them from Japan. You have been watching up the videos. All you have to do, just subscribe down in Japan and share and comment. Seeing all the videos them from Japan. Big up my friend from Indonesia. New subscriber from Indonesia. She love the channel. Nice lady. Martina, your eye? Yes, inside my kitchen now, my fans. You can take a look now at my lunch. Well ready. Sit there. Just smiley. Nice. The coconut milk. There. Not dry out, This is just perfect and it smells so good. Don't know who would like a taste of this. Leave a comment and let me know if you would like a taste of my lunch. Make my mouth drain water now just because I smell it and I look at it. I'm gonna share out some and eat it right away, my friend. So thanks everyone for watching. Just imagine that you're having lunch with me. Bless up and big up. Hungry.